Pag meron kang oily skin and dark spots, usually ang nire-recommend are two different types of products with different exfoliating ingredients. Pero alam nyo ba na ngayon, there are now products with both of these exfoliating ingredients formulated together para matarget mo yung oiliness and dark spots at the same time? If gusto nyo yung gawin, here are the best products to choose from. Hi everyone! Mag-uusap na naman tayo about skincare, and skincare. And for a lot of you guys, hindi na bago yung term na AHA, BHA, PHA toners. Pinasikat na yan ng iilang mga Korean brands like let's say COSRX and Some By Me. But the problem with a lot of these AHA, BHA, PHA toners is usually sobrang baba ng mga percentages nila ng mga exfoliants na to na hindi na natin talaga nakukuha yung gusto nating effect sa kanila to target our dark spots and our oiliness. Now just to let you guys know, to address yung mga concerns na to, usually ang kailangan is around 1 to 2% BHA or salicylic acid to really target yung oiliness ng skin and around 3 to 5% or even higher ng AHA to target yung mga dark spots. Pero ang problema is usually these are in separate products na medyo magiging forced ka pumili sa isa. Pero hindi nyo na kailangan gawin yun ngayon because tinest and kinumpile ko na ang mga best exfoliating products in our market right now that have significant percentages of both AHA and BHA. Ang kailangan nyo na lang gawin is pumili. So that being said, wala nang any, let's begin. So as per usual, inorganize ko na yung mga best exfoliants natin into 3 different budget levels, starting with our first budget level. This is for those na maraming budget. Now if willing ka to spend on a really good and quality exfoliating product, I think I do have one go-to recommendation na gustong gusto ko talaga. Now this is from a Korean brand na baka alam na ng iba sa inyo na mahilig sa Korean skincare. It's the brand Godal and this is their Apple Mint AHA BHA Exfoliating Liquid 10%. Now, I've been using this for almost half a year already on and off and I don't know kung bakit hindi ito masyadong napapansin talaga sa skincare scene natin. But this, in my opinion, might just be one of the best exfoliating product, if not the best exfoliating product na nakikita ko sa Korean skincare right now. And the reason for this is really simple. Kung iisipin mo kasi, ang daming mga Korean brands na meron silang AHA, BHA, PHA toner, pero takot talaga silang i-combine yung mga exfoliants na to in higher, more significant percentages because I guess mas prone talaga to irritation as a side effect kapag medyo tinaasan mo yung percentages. And gets ko naman, yes, merong very gentle exfoliation yon pero parang more of hydrating and soothing lang yon. And yes, your skin does feel softer pero medyo yun na siya. And so, hindi talaga sobrang tumatabla yung mga AHA, BHA toner na 0.1% lang yung exfoliant na meron nila. Kaya sobrang happy ko talaga because finally meron ang nag-step up and this one by Godal actually has an 8% blend of 4 kinds of AHAs which are mandelic acid, lactic acid, glycolic acid, and malic acid. And the benefit of combining these 4 exfoliants together in a blend is it tends to be more gentle sa skin natin compared to let's say just pure 8% glycolic acid. At the same time, this also has 2% salicylic acid or BHA which is yung parang gold standard na percentage for tackling oily and acne-prone skin. So, perfect na perfect to for that concern. Now, aside from yung mga individual benefits that you can get from both of these acids, yung AHAs kasi nito, I also do want to mention, meron silang mga hydrating properties sa skin to prevent it from dryness, which is good because may drying na side effect yung salicylic acid. So, nababalance out niya siya in that way, but at the same time, yung formulation din nito, it also has other hydrating ingredients like glycerin, panthenol, betaine, and even allantoin to soothe the skin. I guess yung only possible na con nito, and actually depende pa to sa skin mo kung magiging con siya or hindi, but it's the fact that this is based in yung apple mint water and meron din siyang rosemary essential oil. Personally, hindi naman yung deal breaker sa akin, but for those na medyo mas sensitive yung skin type, you might want to watch out and you might want to patch test this first before using it on your entire face. Pero in my experience, as someone na nag-acne medications day and night and constantly na-irritate yung skin ko from those acne medications, kapag ito lang yung ginagamit ko on the night itself, wala akong ginagamit na ibang actives with it, this one, hindi naman siya dumadagdag sa irritation ng skin ko. Of course, when you use it properly. And alam naman natin, minsan nasasobrahan talaga yung gamit natin ng exfoliant. So I would say, kahit na nagugustuhan ko to, I would still use it a bit conservatively. And speaking of using this product, medyo water watery lang yung consistency niya kapag ginagamit mo on your skin. As with any toner na may salicylic acid and glycolic acid, may konting glow talaga muna sa start, but surprisingly, this absorbs quite fast compared to even the best salicylic acid toners. So, watery siya with no greasiness at all. This is something that I would recommend for those na hindi na beginners, as in yung nakapaggamit na kayo ng mga exfoliating toners or serums dati na medyo significant or medyo mataas yung percentage ng exfoliants. The reason being, yung amount kasi ng exfoliants in this, medyo pataas na siya ng konti, medyo parang moderate level na siya. And given na may apple mint water and rosemary essential oil pa to, this is probably for those na wala nang masyadong sensitivity or sanay na talaga or hindi na masyadong nag-a-adjust doon sa higher percentage of exfoliants. But for those who really want to start with this product, in a way, technically pwede naman, but I would suggest to start maybe 2 times a week first and then space out nyo talaga, let's say Tuesday, Thursday, or even Monday and Friday. Use it very conservatively, maybe 2 to 3 drops only for the entire face na yon, and then check kung may irritation or wala. It really depends on what your skin can tolerate, pero ako guys, usually up to 3 times a week lang. Yung typical ko pa nga actually is around mga 2 times a week lang. But anyway, price-wise naman, this is at the 800 plus price range for 150 ml. Again, not bad na yon kung i-compare mo to other exfoliating products na parang kahilera ni Godal. Yung iba sa kanila umaabot na ng 1K, 1.2, 1.5 pataas. So this one is probably yung pinakasulit na choice, and at the same time does not compromise on the quality and gives you really good exfoliating properties. But if 800 plus is still a bit too high for you, don't worry because we still have other options sa next budget level natin, and this is for those na medyo may budget. Now the first product to come to mind sa budget level na to is actually a drugstore product na nasa rotation ko na I think since 2021 pa, and when it was released, parang tuwang-tuwa talaga ako na may ganitong product na yung brand na to. I really thought it was a product ahead of its time, and hanggang ngayon, very reliable pa rin siya, especially if you have oily and acne-prone skin. This is of course from one of our community's favorite drugstore and department store brands for oily and acne-prone skin because very accessible siya. It's from the Thai brand Oxycure, and this is their 2% BHA plus 4% PHA blackhead clearing toner. Na ilang beses ko na itong napag-usapan sa iba't ibang mga videos ko, but I think the first time that I mentioned this was around 2022. Pero by then, ilang months ko na rin siya ginagamit nung video na yon. But that video was yung best toners with salicylic acid, and the reason why this stood out sa video na yon is I think it's still the only toner with a very unique combination of salicylic acid or BHA as well as polyhydroxy acids or PHA. Now for those na hindi pa alam kung ano yung PHA, I guess the best way to explain them is para siyang AHA na it works on the top layer of your skin, but PHAs tend to be less irritating. And so it's usually the better option for those na hindi talaga natotolerate yung AHAs, as in parang ilang beses na nila ginamit pero sobrang hapde, namumula yung face nila or parang na-irritate talaga yung skin nila. If you really can't take AHAs, PHAs are a good alternative. Now of course, medyo mas marami pa rin talagang evidence behind AHAs and dark spots simply because mas matagal nang around yung AHAs, and PHAs kasi medyo new generation siya na exfoliant. But again, iba-iba nga kasi talaga yung sensitivities ng skin natin. Hindi naman natin mapipilit yung AHA sa hindi naman talaga natotolerate yung AHA ng skin nila. So if that's the case for you and you have oily and acne-prone skin, then this might be something to consider. Now, pasasadaanan ko na lang to because I already reviewed this before, but if you want to see my full thoughts on this, ililink ko na lang yung best BHA toners na video ko here. I think second or third ko siyang minention in that video. Alright, and now from a Thai brand na accessible to drugstores, move naman tayo to a brand na sariling atin but just as accessible, and this is also from a very reliable brand. Bagong product nila to actually, and I'm talking about the brand Bello, and this is their AHA BHA serum. Na guys, in fairness super na-excite talaga ako nung naglabas si Bello ng serums line, especially under the Bello Essentials na line. Sabi ko talaga, it's about time, especially kapag tingnan mo kasi yung Bello Essentials na line, parang matagal na nilang hindi binago. Talagang yung release nila ngayon with the serums is a step in the right direction. Now, aside from this AHA and BHA serum, meron din silang retinol and vitamin C, and tinetest ko pa yun, especially since yung retinol parang kaka-release lang niya recently talaga. So, ilang weeks ko pa lang siya natatry, pero yung ito, umabot na siya around 2 to 3 months already, and ito talaga yung pinaka nagagamit ko sa kanilang tatlo. So to start off, very interesting yung formulation nito. This has 5% mandelic acid, which is a very underrated rated AHA because okay siya for more sensitive skin types and hindi siya as irritating as glycolic acid, but at the same time, meron din siyang studies on skin brightening, especially for yung mga hyperpigmentation or yung mga dark spots and even melasma. And not only that, meron ding slight antibacterial properties si mandelic acid, which is why it's also suggested as a support ingredient for acne. Though hindi siya yung magiging main ingredient mo for acne, okay siyang add-on or parang pang-boost ng anti-acne routine mo. Now, aside from that, this also has a 2% glycolic acid, meaning may support pa rin talaga for dark spots, and also that means this has a total of 7% AHAs, and also meron din silang salicylic acid but it's only 0.5%, which is a little bit on the lower end. Now, hindi naman necessarily bad thing yon. Mas babagay lang talaga siya for those na mas compatible sa lower percentage na salicylic acid, and yun yung mga combination to normal skin types. So if hindi ka naman super acne prone, hindi ka naman super oily around your face, may mga ilang areas ka lang na nagiging oily talaga, then this could be a good option for you. And as for yung consistency naman nito, this is a bit of a runny serum. Medyo mas malabnaw siya than malapot, and it does also absorb relatively fast on the skin. In fairness dito, if you use just a few small drops, very easy to blend and absorb siya. I think it's because naglagay sila ng konting alcohol sa formulation nito. And again, as we've learned sa mga cosmetic chemists and dermatologists, hindi naman necessarily bad ang alcohol sa mga exfoliating products or sa skincare in general. Partida ito, hindi pa naman to alcohol-based and naglagay lang sila ng konting amount ng alcohol. So there's really nothing to worry about that much. But of course, that is a sign na i-patch test mo muna yung product, especially if medyo sensitive yung skin mo or may history ka na humapdi yung skin mo sa exfoliants. Na price-wise naman, this is at 440 pesos per 30 ml. Honestly, yung price per ml niya medyo mataas compared to our other options here. Usually at that price kasi you get a little bit more, but considering na ilang drops lang naman yung kailangan mo para magamit yung product na to on your skin, pwede na. Alright, and now moving on to our next option. Kung oily na oily talaga kayo and confident kayo na matibay ang skin ninyo, may experience na kayo sa mga exfoliating toners, and you really want the best of BHA and AHAs, I'm so happy to say meron tayong a very good option at a good price, also coming from a quality local brand. This is none other than the brand of Miss Bella, and it's the Sipo Drop This Exfoliating Toner. Na alam nyo guys, I've known and used this product back when iba pa yung pangalan nito. I think Mist a Spot pa yung pangalan niya, and it used to be an exfoliating spray for the body, but I think change ni Sipo. I'm not sure kung ni-reformulate nila, pero pinalitan nila yung packaging to be more friendly sa face and sa body. So this one has a 5% AHA blend which include glycolic, lactic, and citric acid. And okay yun because glycolic and lactic acid are actually the most researched AHAs, and for dark spots, marami rin silang studies. Aside from that, this also has 2% salicylic acid to tackle oily and acne-prone skin, and even a significant percentage of niacinamide, which as you guys know, magandang support ingredient din siya for both oiliness and dark spots. At the same time, this also has a lot of hydrating ingredients like glycerin, sodium lactate, sodium hyaluronate, panthenol, and if hindi pa yun enough, this also has soothing ingredients like aloe, centella, and even allantoin. And thanks to these hydrating ingredients, this one also feels very watery on the skin. Very good job to of not making this toner feel super greasy kahit may mga exfoliating ingredients siya. Again, like I always say, basta Philippine brand yan, alam na nila yung toner and serum na consistency na gusto natin. It shouldn't be too heavy kasi nga mainit and malagkit yung weather natin. And hindi exception si Sipo doon, very aware din sila. Price-wise naman, this is at the very affordable price of 379 pesos for 100 ml of product already. Imagine ha, 2 to 3 times a week mo lang siya gagamitin and ilang drops lang. So yung 300 plus pesos mo, sabihin mo ng 400 pesos with shipping. For sure, ilang months din yan tatagal. So when it comes to local brands, a very solid option to. Pero kung todo tipid ka talaga, as in kailangan mo ng option na less than 200 pesos, don't worry because in fairness sa mga local brands natin nagawan pa rin nila ng paraan, and I will be sharing these with you in our next budget level. This is for those na nagtitipid or may drugstore budget. Now yung first option natin is just a little bit under 200 pesos, and this one I think is one of the first local brands na nagkaroon ng AHA BHA serum na significant yung mga percentages ng AHA and BHA nung wala pang masyadong mga local brands na gumagawa nito. That brand is none other than Soul Apothecary, and we have their AHA BHA serum. Ito guys, na-review ko na to long ago na, I think around mga 2021 or 2022 pa. But as you guys know, Soul Apothecary is really one of my favorite local brands and I'm so happy na alive pa rin sila ngayon. Sana never silang mawala. Wow. Now similar to yung previous option natin, this one has a 6% AHA blend which is also a combination of glycolic, lactic, and citric acid. And aside from that, this also has a 2% salicylic acid or BHA. Now when it comes to the formulation of this, actually very straightforward lang siya, very plain you might even say. For the very affordable price of this na a little under 200 pesos lang, kung AHA, BHA lang naman yung hinahanap mo, why not, diba? And in fairness sa consistency nito, it still feels like a standard serum. A bit runny but not too watery, tamang-tama lang, and it feels very comfortable on the skin. And apart from that, fragrance-free pa to. And as we know, with fragrance-free exfoliating products, baka may maamoy lang kayo konti na medicinal smell dito because, well, may amoy talaga ang exfoliants. Kaya siya rin nilalagay ng mga essential oils ng iba't ibang mga brands and hindi ko naman sila ma-blame kasi talaga minsan yung ibang tao ayaw nila yung smell ng exfoliants. And if hindi ka naman sensitive sa fragrance, honestly, it's really no problem. But if mas prefer mo na walang fragrance, then this is a good option to consider as well. Na price-wise naman, like I said a while ago, just a little under 200 lang to, mga 190 plus pesos for 15 ml specifically. Now, yes, price per ml, so lang siya, pero you really get cheaper price per ml kasi kapag medyo malaki yung packaging or kapag bulk na yung binili mo. So if mas gusto mo yung sulit na price per ml, tingin kayo dun sa mga previous budget levels natin. Pero itong budget level kasi na to guys, this is for those na hindi afford bumili ng sobrang laki or ng sobrang dami or in bulk. Either way din naman guys, hindi mabilis maubos yung mga products na to because you don't have to use too much. And ako talaga, mas gusto ko yung product na to not just for the price but also quality din kasi siya gamitin. Especially yung paggamit ng product na to, I would say this is probably one of the most comfortable AHA, BHA serums na nagamit ko because it has that very gel type, easy to spread, easy to absorb consistency. And not only that, in my experience, this is probably the AHA, BHA serum that has irritated my skin the least. Or yung masasabi ko na parang least probability na may irritate yung skin ko. Hindi ko alam bakit. Siguro hiyang na hiyang lang talaga ako dito. Alright, and last but not the least, itong option natin is for those na either number one, very low on budget lang talaga. Let's say mga 100 plus lang yung magagastos mo for an exfoliant. Number two, for those na naghahanap ng travel-friendly or yung malalagay lang doon sa maybe sa gym bag nila or kung saan nyo man gustong ilagay. And number three, for those na let's say magta-travel ka pero naiwan mo yung full-size exfoliant mo sa bahay pero merong malapit na Watson sa inyo, this next option is your best bet. And actually, hindi na bagong product to, hindi lang siya masyadong pinapansin talaga ever since nag-change siya ng packaging. This is from the very reliable brand Quick FX, doing what they do best, giving us an exfoliant in a sachet. And this is their Instant Facial Serum. Na hindi ko alam kung meron pang nakakaalala, but this was actually part of their Clean Collection noong 2021 na actually nireview ko siya that time and I do have to say medyo brutal yung pag-review ko ng line na yon looking back. But one of the products that I really liked sa line na yon despite yung parang brutal review ko na yon is this one, tong Instant Facial Serum nila back when meron pa siyang full size. So formulation-wise, if niretain ni Quick FX yung old formulation nila nito, which I think might be very likely, this has 5% glycolic acid, 2% lactic acid, and 0.5% salicylic acid. Ang maganda rin dito is this has soy extract, which is very underrated for brightening, and even green tea and Centella asiatica to soothe the skin, and even panthenol to hydrate, plus allantoin and adenosine to soothe the skin. This is also fragrance-free, which is a plus for sensitive skin types, pero medyo maamoy mo talaga yung parang medicinal smell ng exfoliants. Although, medyo less siya in this serum compared to yung previous option natin. But just be aware of that. Now, as for the feel of the product on the skin, this is a slightly runny gel type na serum. I think be careful lang sa sachet na applicator niya because baka masobrahan. Because all you need is just a few drops. Pwede naman siyang tipirin, especially since medyo moderate moderate level of exfoliants na siya. And similar to yung Bello option natin, since this one has also 0.5% salicylic acid, it's more for those na hindi sobrang oily or hindi sobrang acne prone because more of 1 to 2% yung kailangan nyo talaga ng salicylic acid if ever. This one is better kung either combination or normal skin type ka, or if you want to really focus on using exfoliants for yung mga marks that you want to fade. Meanwhile, for sensitive skin types, again, since glycolic to, hindi naman ibig sabihin na hindi mo na pwedeng gamitin, but please patch test first. I remember a friend before na nireko ko to sa kanya. Actually, hindi nga sensitive yung skin niya parang normal lang yung skin type niya. Nung first try niya, super humapdi yung face niya, and while stinging is normal sa glycolic acid, hindi mo talaga alam how sensitive your face might be, especially if combination to normal skin type ka. So especially since sachet lang naman to, before using it on your entire face, patch test niyo muna either here sa likod ng ear ninyo or sa may jaw and see how your skin reacts. And if wala namang reaction, kung gagamitin niyo talaga yung product, use it very conservatively, as in ilang drops lang talaga, okay na basta madaanan yung part ng face mo. Hindi kailangan sobrang dami. And now moving on to the price, this is at 140 plus pesos for 10 ml. Again, not the best peso per ml price, but wala namang sachet product na sulit ang peso per ml. Aminin natin guys, di ba? Again, this budget level kasi guys is not for those na bumibili in bulk or gustong magtipid ng price per ml. It's for those na wala talagang budget or nag-iipon talaga ng pera. So again, respeto natin yung financial situation ng mga tao. Hindi lahat nakakabili in bulk, para lang alam ninyo. So all in all, a really good product. Siguro ang masasabi ko lang is medyo challenge siya hanapin in some Watsons branches, pero kung ayaw niyo nang hulaan kung meron bang ganito or wala sa Watsons ninyo, this is also available online para sa mga sigurista. And of course, as usual, for your convenience, ilalagay ko na lang lahat ng mga shop links or product links in the description box coming from legit and authentic shops where you can buy it from para hindi na kayo mahirapan. Now, before you buy your exfoliating product, warning lang guys, because usually concern to ng ibang mga oily and acne prone kapag nag-start sila gumamit ng exfoliants, and it's yung parang takot na pag-purge or pag-breakout after gamitin for a while yung mga skincare products, especially exfoliants. So, kung gusto mo malinawan sa topic na to, I'll include some videos that I suggest na panoorin nyo muna before mag-start kayo ng paggamit ng exfoliants para lang ma-manage yung expectations ninyo. And as usual guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!